Wow, that's so creepy. Oh no, I ate all the chips. Give me some. Ow!
This is mine. Get your own.
Fine.
If you're looking for handouts, go somewhere else. Fresh meat. Perfect. It's like that octopus lady is really here. How about you try some of my magic caviar? I wouldn't want a makeover from her. She's so creepy. Success. That's weird. What the? Soon the world will be overrun with mermaids. Enjoy your new tail. No, this can't be happening. I'm a redhead. Where did my ears go? And I'm pregnant. Nice flat. Maybe this mermaid thing isn't so bad. Wow. What was that? What on earth? I have a tail, so I didn't dream all of that. Well, better make the most out of it. Hey, how did you get in here? We want to say hi to the baby. It's you.
Hi, honey. Hey, kiddo, Daddy's here. Whoa, it kicked.
What? Well.
Time for a gender reveal. Any guesses?
Just pop it.
As you wish. It's usually just blue or pink confetti. Wait. No way.
So? What?
Read this.
Octopus? That's not possible. Or is it? Hi, Mommy.
My baby is not my baby.
He's gonna faint. Is he okay?
This can't be real.
Let's get you to bed. An octopus.
I'm wrecking havoc when I'm out of the womb.
She's got a mean punch.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Okay. I know just what to feed you.
Yummy.
Oh, yuck. That was terrible. Anyone got a bucket?
Let's have it again for dinner.
No way. Oh, a burger.
Ew.
Yummy.
Stop.
Shush. It's Mommy's time to eat. Oh.
Slow day. Oh,
What? Do burgers swim now?
man, it's a big one.
Come on.
So cringe.
Did I just catch a whale or something?
No.
Knock it off, will you?
Uh-oh. I'm going down to the bottom.
Finally, I can have my dinner. Oh, this is better than any burger I had on land.
Enough burgers.
Uh-oh, she's right. Where is the toilet? Oh, there it is. Oh, sweet magical throne. Take away all my worries. I can't use this dirty toilet. It's got all sorts of insects in it.
Mom, don't be such a baby.
I've got to get to work. But I'm gonna need some help. I know just the right person to call. I'll stack all of these blocks on top of each other until I make my good friend Mario. Whoa! You made it!
It's me, Mario!
Hi!
What's the problem?
It's that toilet.
This one! These creatures sure made a home out of it! Ew! It's gonna cost you extra.
Do you take fish?
Never mind, I'll do it for the baby.
Oh, how sweet.
Alright, focus. First, let's get rid of the skunk.
Oh, with that?
Yep, I'll put this mushroom in the toilet. Now cover your ears. It's gonna be loud.
What?
Let's see if it works. It's all clean.
Wow! Now, if you'll excuse me.
Not yet.
What's that for?
I'll use this octopus to paint the toilet, so toilet time will be more fun.
Huh. That's awesome. Thank you.
One last thing.
What?
It's amazing bed fizzy.
Wow!
This ball will dissolve when you dip it in water. Then we'll see what's inside it.
Wow!
What could be inside this clam? Let's open it.
Huh? Wow!
Mamma mia, it's a pearl. I'll put it on the toilet. And I'll add some shells into the mix. We'll do it all around the rim. Now you can do your business in style.
I love it!
It needs a tail. I'll wrap it with a fishing net. Then sprinkle loads of glitter. I want it sparkling. And to make it more luxurious, I'll stick some gold coins all over it. The more coins, the better. What do you think?
You are a master! Can I go now?
Wait,
Huh? Oh, come on!
I have to go first.
What?
Bye!
Bye, Mario.
Geronimo! This is for you.
Oh, what a gentleman.
Oh, finally! Sweet relief.
Hey, can we go to bed?
Sure. What a long day. What now? Oh, what's wrong?
I can't sleep. This side isn't good. And this side isn't any better.
Is that all? I'll get you comfortable in no time. Or not. Oh, it's no use.
Oh, hey, little mermaid.
Oh, will you help me sleep?
Sit tight. I'll be right back. You should be here somewhere. Aha! She won't notice a thing.
What just happened?
This should help you.
Oh, a floater.
What for?
Lay your face down on it. You'll thank me later.
Bye. Let's do this. I'll get my tummy in the floater. And now I can sleep comfortably. Huh? What's that smell? Is the bed on fire? Oh, it's coming out of that treasure chest.
What's in it?
It's pretty heavy. Whoa! There are bats!
No, go away!
I'll have to take matters in my own hands. Take that! Where did they go? They must be hiding in here somewhere. Hello! Where is she? Over here. Gotcha. Hey, I have an idea. I'll take some of these spikes. Then I'll stick them on my belly. Why? So no one can touch my baby. As if that can stop me.
She's weird.
That hurt. Bye.
Nice, but that looks weird. Uh-oh, I pricked my finger.
Oh, poor thing. Don't worry, Mommy will fix it. I'll take this clam and extract the spike.
Oh, nice.
Ooh, that's sharp.
Yep, but that was funny, wasn't it?
Yes.
Stop! Ew, Mom!
Oh no, what was in that burger? Uh-oh. My water broke. The baby's coming. Help!
What's happening? Ah! I'll fish her out.
Oh, no, you don't.
It's a boot?
Huh? How fragile.
No, I'm...
Guess I'll just have to do it myself. Oh, ready when you are, baby.